Hi again, guys. Alright, another video for the CNE. August 21st, 2026 at the Better Living Center. So now we are entering the farm. You see some animals. Okay, so every year they have the sand sculpture. I've never seen the actual artist. So there she is. We'll come back later to check it out. Okay, so actual bees creating their honeys and waxes and whatnot. Here are the sheep. Goat. I don't know what the hell they are. Sheep? Yeah. Goats. We have some alpacas here. What are these? Are these capybaras? No, what are they? Oh, baby sheep. Okay. I would love to see a capybara up close. Here are the pigs or swine. These look like more like rabbits. But there's only like what, 2 rabbits? Yeah, those are rabbits. Not many this year. Let's go see the cow.
Oh god, you guys are getting after that.
And we have a Minecraft cow. And a balloon pig and balloon cow. Nothing beats the real thing. Alright, so we have beef cattle here. Alright, not much this year. See some horses back over there.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Say you hear me. Clap if you can hear me, please.
I think this horse wants to have pets. Hi, horsey. Alright, I guess that's about it. Not much here on the farm exhibit this year, I'd say. I would love to have seen more rabbits. Or maybe some other pets like, say, capybaras. Actually, chinchillas too. For some reason, recently I've been like really into watching chinchilla videos. Oh, here are the sand artists. Alright guys, well thanks again for joining me. I have some more other videos of the CNE. And until then, thank you for watching and see you a bit later. Oh, peace.